Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to open command prompt at login screen. First method is, hold shift key, click restart. Click troubleshoot, click advanced options, click command prompt. Second method is boot with bootable CD or USB. Click troubleshoot, click command prompt. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.